HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, moved the Mustang for the first time in a long time, just to fire it up and get it up on the road. Kurgan's transport guy is going to come pick it up. So it's super dirty and nasty because it's just been sitting there. But show you one other thing we got going on. Those there are the Dynomax Side Exhaust for the SVO side skirts. So this was a really old exhaust kit, which is pretty rare. You can't find much on the Dynomax kits. Originally the SVOs from Ford Performance, or Ford Racing at the time, would be the SVO kits with the Boulder exhaust system, which is what we had on our black Cobra. But this is the Dynomax kit, which is kind of neat. And then these are the Dynomax tips here. And it's all kind of wrapped up. So my brother-in-law owns a powder coating company, and he powder coated these for me, and they look super slick. They were kind of old, kind of rusty, and he blasted them, cleaned them up, and they're gonna look really, really good. But that kind of fills out the whole SVO side pipe instead of like the double tip, like the normal ones. This is more like the original ones from the earliest cars when they were doing prototype stuff. So that's pretty nice to have those. So check him out. It's ARC powder coating. They're out of Cumming, Georgia. So a few other pieces there, exhaust stuff, and there's some hangers there. But he just did, I told him to do everything satin black, so it all looks super nice. This is what it looked like when I got it, which wasn't near as nice. So it'll be a lot better now. Kurgan's going to go ahead and get these mufflers mounted up, so when they do the tune, all that's kind of the way that it's going to be. And should be a lot better when they get her done, so hopefully get her picked up pretty quick. All right, guys, this is the rest of the exhaust I got from that guy. Those are hollowed. These ones are gone. And then he just had it straight piped to the side pipes. So I'm going to run the mufflers. But what I really want to show you was this right here. He only had one of the side skirts. The other one, the car was in a wreck, and ended up losing it. And it looks like it's running kind of bad anyways. So this will have to be repainted and whatnot. But I had one of them, and it's not an original SVO one because it doesn't say SVO. It might have been one offered by Dynomax with that kit. I'm not sure, but I really needed another one. And I found a company called Fiberglass Specialties NV.com. So they're out of Nevada. And so thankful to them for helping me out. Because I literally only needed one of them, and I needed to get it in pretty quickly. They've got a pretty good lead time, so they really helped me out. So check this out. Here it is. Look how nice this is. Super nice, really thick fiberglass. This one, what they do is they add a lip. So that lip actually goes inside the door jamb, which the SVO ones do not have, and that one does not have. So the passenger side will be a little bit nicer than the driver's side, but should work out really nice. It's really good looking fiberglass. Obviously with all fiberglass, it has to be sanded smooth, primed, and painted and all that. So, but it looks really good. I bought a lot of fiberglass parts over the years, and some of them are really bad. This is really slick looking. And even you can tell where they laid it. Like everything just looks super good, super smooth, and really, really heavy duty. So that's gonna be perfect. So I wanted to go ahead and give them a shout out, show you what we've got going on. Get the car over to Kurgan's, get the car fixed and finished. They're gonna go ahead and mount up the mufflers for me, and then I'll get the side skirts mounted up and then get the tips set in place, and then we'll get these painted sometime, hopefully soon. All right, guys, got the car over here at Kurgan's, ready for them to start working on it. And it's pretty awesome. Every time you come, it's a heck of a Mustang car show out here. There's always some really cool looking rides out here. A lot of SN95s all lined up right here. Some really killer cars out here. There you go, look at that. Always some super nice stuff out here. And the Pizza Planet truck.